All right, let's talk about something that a lot of people are wondering right now. Is AlphaPix actually worth $499 per year? Because that's not cheap. That's not a casual subscription like Netflix. That's real money, especially if you're just getting started investing. And here's the truth. There are people online saying this thing is crushing the market. It's a no-brainer. It pays for itself instantly. And then there are others saying it's overpriced. You can just buy index funds. Stock picking doesn't work long term. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you in a way that actually makes sense. We're going to cover what AlphaPix actually is, how it works, the real performance, not just hype, the pros and cons, and most importantly, who it's actually worth it for and who should stay away. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this is something you should be spending $499 a year on. Let's get into it. So first off, what even is AlphaPix? AlphaPix is a premium stock recommendation service from Seeking Alpha, and the main idea is really simple. Every month they give you 2 stock picks. That's it. No day trading, no constant alerts, no complicated strategies, just 2 stocks per month backed by data and with research and reasoning. Now, here's what makes it different. These picks aren't coming from a human analyst. They come from a quantitative system, basically an algorithm that analyzes earnings growth, valuation, momentum, profitability, and a bunch of other financial factors. So instead of guessing, it's using data to find high probability opportunities. Think of it like this. If investing is like, let's say, PE class, most people are just throwing up half-court shots and hoping something goes in. AlphaPix is like, here are the highest percentage shots, take these. Now, let's talk about the thing that everyone cares about, which is performance. Because if this doesn't perform, nothing else really matters. So here's what we've seen so far. Since launch around mid-2022, AlphaPix has outperformed the S&P 500 significantly, produced several big winners, generated strong overall returns. But this is where I need you to pay extra attention because this is where people get it wrong. Not every pick is a winner. In fact, some stocks go down, some underperform, some take time. And the big returns, they often come from a few major winners. So this is not smooth investing, safe investing, guaranteed investing. This is calculated risk investing. And if you don't understand that, you're going to get frustrated very fast. Here's the biggest mistake people make with AlphaPix. They treat it like a magic button. They think, I'll just follow the picks and get rich. That's not how this works, because to actually benefit from AlphaPix, you need to follow the system consistently, hold through volatility, not panic when a pick drops. Let me give you an example. If they give you 24 picks in a year and you only invest in 5 of them, you might miss the 2 or 3 that actually drive most of the gains. And now suddenly you're saying, this thing doesn't work, when in reality, you didn't follow the system. All right, let's talk about the $499 because this is where it either makes sense or it doesn't. Let's break it down simply. If you have $10,000 invested and AlphaPix helps you earn just 5% more than the market that year, that's $500. That covers the cost. But here's the problem. If you only have $2,000 invested, even a great return might only give you $100 to $200 extra. Now you're losing money on the subscription. So the real question is not, is AlphaPix worth $499? The real question is, do you have enough money invested for it to matter? Because tools like this scale with your portfolio. All right, let's bring it back to Gym Class Finance. Who should actually be using this? This is great for people with $25,000 to $100,000 invested. It's best for intermediate investors, people who want guidance but still control decisions, people with long-term mindsets. If that's you, this can be a very powerful tool. This is not great for beginners with small accounts, people who panic sell, people looking for quick wins, people who don't want volatility. If you're just starting, you're honestly better off focusing on index funds, building consistency, learning the basics before jumping into something like this. So let's address the elephant in the room. Why not just invest in the S&P 500? And honestly, that's a great question because index investing is simple, it's proven, it's low cost, low stress. I talk about it a lot here on the channel. So why would someone use AlphaPix? They would use it to try to outperform. That's it. You're trading simplicity for potential higher returns with more risk. And that trade-off isn't for everyone. Before you spend $499, you need to understand this. It has a short track record. It relies on continued performance. It can underperform in certain markets. You can lose money. And most importantly, past performance does not guarantee future results. So if you're expecting guaranteed wins, this is not for you. So is AlphaPix worth $499 per year? Here's the honest answer. Yes, if you have enough invested. you follow the system, you understand the risks. No, if you're just starting, you don't have much invested, you're not consistent. If I had to sum it up like we do in gym class, AlphaPix is like having a coach, but the coach can't play the game for you. You still have to show up, stay disciplined, execute the plan. And if you do that, it can absolutely be worth it. But if you don't, it's just an expensive subscription. I do have a link to this platform if you are interested in signing up and checking it out for yourself. I've used it. It's definitely interesting and could be very useful if you have a good amount of cash to invest. But I will include that QR code that you might have noticed throughout the video. I'll include it here right now. I also have a link in the description if this is something you want to check out yourself. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment anything you have questions about or anything you want to share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.